Never worry about peeling or faded paint with Gentek vinyl siding. Vinyl siding has come a long way in terms of durability, aesthetic, and design. Gentek Sequoia Select vinyl siding comes with an abundance of upgrades to the siding you are accustomed to. It gives you long-lasting color, it won't peel, chip, or fade, and there's no painting required. With Gentek's Color Clear Through system, achieving a seamless exterior look is effortless. Their curated color collection guarantees that all Gentek products, whether it's vinyl, aluminum, or steel, perfectly coordinate across their siding, soffit, fascia, trim, and rainwear. It's designed to handle tough weather from scorching heat to heavy rain and snowfall, keeping your home looking great year-round. Plus, Gentek Sequoia Select siding comes in 4 popular horizontal profiles to suit your project style. Installing Gentek Sequoia Select vinyl siding on your home is just one of the many ways Van Doler's Custom Exteriors helps you build a better home.
The Home Team.